Hi all. Here I am starting a new lecture series of microprocessor. Firstly, what is a microprocessor? Why it is named as a microprocessor? Microprocessor is nothing. It is a microprocessor. Micro means a small chip. Processor means that is capable of processing some data. Okay, whether our incandescent lamp require a microprocessor to work it? No, because whenever we on it, it will start glowing, and whenever we off the switch, it will also turn off. We know it's working. But whenever we want to automatically turn on or off light in a room by detecting human movement, we can use a microprocessor. Similarly, our normal fan system does not require a microprocessor. But if we want to on or off or regulate it according to the temperature, we can use a microprocessor and we will program our microprocessor according to that. We can find a microprocessor everywhere like in remote control, in our computer CPU, in microwave oven, in our mobile phone, the traffic light system, like everywhere from home electronics to aircraft machine we are using microprocessors or microcontroller. Microprocessor, it is the most important part of our computer system. Like in our human body, how much important our heart or brain, that much important our microprocessor for a computer system. So it is called heart or brain of a computer system. This is the block diagram of a basic computer system. It is having an input unit, output unit and memory and also a microprocessor. Suppose if we want to add two numbers, the addition is not performing by our input unit or our output unit. Actually, the operation is performing by our microprocessor. So we can define a microprocessor as a programmable device that takes some input and performs some arithmetical and logical operations over it and produces the desired output. Actually, our microprocessor consists of ALU unit, a control unit and a register array. The ALU unit is performing all arithmetical and logical operation on the data received from the memory or from an input device. As we discussed already, our register array consists of many registers like accumulator, general purpose registers like B, C, D, E, H and L, and stack pointer, program counter, flag register, etc. Then the control unit which controls the flow of data and instruction within the computer. How does a microprocessor works? Actually, microprocessor works in three steps: fetch, decode and execute. The details we have already discussed. Next is the evolution of microprocessor. The first microprocessor was invented by Intel. So it is called a Intel 4004. It was a 4-bit microprocessor. As I already mentioned, our microprocessor journey started with the invention of a 4-bit processor Intel 4004. Actually, it was not an adequate microprocessor, but it found application in controlling devices. Intel 8008 was the next evolution, then 8088, then 8085, etc. Around 1978, Intel released its first 16-bit microprocessor 8086, then 80186, 80286, etc. Then the 32-bit processors like Intel 80386, 80486. Now the 5th generation microprocessor which can make use of a 64-bit processors are available like core processors like Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, etc. The details of microprocessor we will see in the next video. Thank you.